Good morning, student. This is chapter 6 molecular spectroscopy. We have studied last chapter X-ray spectroscopy. Okay, this is the molecular spectroscopy. What is meant by molecular spectroscopy? Molecular spectroscopy is the study of interaction of electromagnetic waves and matter, which gives us more information related to the structure of matter. Okay, this is the definition of molecular spectroscopy. In this chapter we discuss rotational energy levels, vibrational energy levels, and electronics spectra of molecule. We study the molecular level. Then next article is molecular spectra. What is by molecular spectra? There are many ways to classify electromagnetic radiation gives out by atoms and molecules. These can be classified by the frequency range. The region do not have any fixed boundaries such as which can give us the precise wavelength. However, the molecular process associated with each region are quite different. Still, we can have the classification depending on the different regions. They are as follows. First one is, we have to draw the table. First one is region. Second one is frequency, and third one is wavelength. Okay, there are 6 regions. See one by one. First one is radio frequency region. Their frequency is 3 into 10 raised power 6 to 3 into 10 raised power 10 hertz, and wavelength is 10 centimeter to 1 centimeter. This is the first region. Then second region, microwave region. Frequency is 3 into 10 raised power 10 to 3 into 10 raised power 12 hertz. Wavelength is 1 centimeter to 100 micrometer. Then third one is infrared region. Frequency is 3 into 10 raised to power 12 to 3 into 10 raised to power 14 hertz. Wavelength is 100 micrometer to 1 micrometer. Okay. Fourth one is visible and ultraviolet region. Frequency is 3 into 10 raised power 14 to 3 into 10 raised power 16 hertz, and wavelength is 1 micrometer to 10 nanometer. Then fifth one is X-ray region. We are studying last chapter. Frequency is 3 into 10 raised power 16 to 3 into 10 raised power 18 hertz. Then wavelength is 10 nanometer to 100 picometer. Then sixth one is gamma ray region. Frequency is 3 into 10 raised power 18 to 3 into 10 raised power 20 hertz. 100 picometer to 1 picometer. This is the wavelength of this region. Okay, there are 6 regions. First one radio frequency region, second one microwave, third one infrared, fourth one visible, fifth one X-ray, and last one is gamma ray region. Okay, frequency, their frequencies and their wavelength. Okay, the next article is types of molecular spectra. There are two types of molecular spectra. First one is absorption molecular spectra and second one is emission molecular spectra. How to define these two spectra, absorption as well as emission? The definition is the transition between the allowed energy states of a molecule with the emission or absorption of radiation give rise to molecular spectra. This is the definition. There are two types of molecular spectra. First one is emission and second one is absorption spectra. The frequency of emitted or absorption spectra of photon is given by using this formula: nu is equal to E2 minus E1 upon H if E2 is greater than E1, that is, this spectra is known as absorption. E2 means final state, E1 means initial state. Okay. Then second one is nu is equal to E1 minus E2 upon H if E1 is greater than E2, that is emission spectrum. Okay, the energy levels of molecules are more complex than atom because there are many atoms present in one molecule. In case of molecule, various types of motions of individual nuclei can take place. Okay, the excited energy level of a di means two diatomic molecule for a fixed electronic configuration arises from: first one is rotation of molecule level of a rotation of molecule about an axis passing through the center of mass of molecule and perpendicular to the line joining atoms. This is the first diatomic molecule configuration. Okay, then second one is second configuration is the vibration of atoms atoms about their equilibrium position of position in molecule. Okay. Therefore, total energy consists of E means energy. We have to use in this absorption and emission spectra. We have to two energies, E1 and E2. The total energy consists of number one, energy due to excitation of electron. Energy due to excitation of electron in the molecule, that is electronic energy indicated by capital E small e. This is electronic energy. Then second one is energy due to rotation of molecule. Rotation of molecule, that is rotational energy. E capital E into small r. This is rotational energy. Okay. Then third one is energy due to vibration of molecule. Energy due to vibration of molecule, that is vibrational energy indicated by capital E into V, that is vibrational energy. Therefore, total energy E is equal to electronic energy plus rotational energy plus vibrational energy. Okay. The magnitude of these energies are sufficiently different, and electronic energy is greater than vibrational energy is greater than rotational energy. Hence, we can classify molecular spectra in three distinct regions. Using this equation, we have to classify three distinct regions. First one is pure rotational spectrum. Second one is rotational vibrational spectrum, and third one is electronic spectrum. We have to see these three distinct region. First one is pure rotational spectrum, second one is rotational vibrational spectrum, third one is electronic spectrum. We have to see these three spectrum one by one in next lecture.